Just back here, yeah. Just like a centimeter or two.
A centimeter or two, or are you talking about like inches? Because the thing is, you gotta remember, hair is like this, right? So it's longer. You do not look like you trust me.
I don't trust. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Canon, and today we're going to be talking about how to not waste your time. Time is one of the most valuable things that you have and you can have control over. So if you control your time, you control your destiny. So today we're going to figure out how to control your time. So controlling your time is something that I really learned because I started off in a pretty bad place, spending not less hours during the day doing things, but the things that we're doing were just not furthering a goal. They were not furthering my goals more specifically. They were just more, I will learn random stuff and kind of just let my day control me. Letting your day control you is not a good idea if you're trying to go somewhere and trying to complete a goal. I will describe a method that will help you get from a unproductive, your day controlling you kind of schedule to a day where you control your schedule and you are controlling your future and you are getting closer every day to what you're trying to accomplish. So, this step requires two general methods. One, you need to have your goals. So you need to have a piece of paper with your goals and kind of your priorities, where you are trying to go, what you are trying to spend your time towards. So for me, that would look like trying to complete my degree, spending time trying to further my job network and doing my job. And thirdly, getting my YouTube channel, getting more stuff done for my channel, whether that be research or production. So whatever that would look like for you, write that down, have 4 or 5 things that you want to prioritize, and then we're gonna come back to that one and move on to step 2. Step 2 is getting data on what your day looks like. If you want to change your day, if you want to control your day, you have to know what you're actually doing right now so you can change it and see where you want to go later. So to do this, really easy, just on a piece of paper, just to commit to a day where every time that you change activity, you write down the time that you change activity. Right next to it, you write the activity that you're doing. So let's say it is now 4 p.m. I'm now having snack, 4 p.m. snack. When I'm done snack and I'm working or something, 4:15 working. I now know that I spent 15 minutes doing a snack. So at the end of this day, at the end of a few days, you can categorize your time and see where you're spending your time. See if you're spending 2 hours on your phone, 3 hours working, 4 hours doing this, etc. And so at that point, all you need to do to figure out the 80-20 chart is to order the categories from where you spend the most time to the least amount of time, right next to it the amount of time you're spending, and then do some calculations, figure out what percentage of your awake day is going towards that specific category. So if you've been looking at the screen this whole time, you will see that I've shared what I've been doing, what my day schedule looked like back in the day, and what the work I did to get to a productive schedule. So you now have the percentages of where you're spending your day because you've researched your data, and you now have also a piece of paper with all your goals. This is the easy step, which is putting together your goals and your schedule. If they're matching, then that's great. If you're spending 80% of your time doing things that are advancing your goals, then this video obviously is not for you and you're doing exactly everything correctly. However, if you're not, then no worries. You can just remove a few activities to put better activities instead. The better activities being your goals and what you are trying to accomplish. So if you are spending 20% of your time on your phone, is that really why you want to spend all your time? Maybe not. At this point, you can replace it by one of the things that is on your goals. Therefore, that might be working more on your project, on your degree, etc. Make sure that your goals are diversified though. They can't just be all educational. You want to have a bit of personal stuff too, because you gotta understand that like you are having a lot of free time too. And if you're doing stuff that is like maybe less productive in your free time, like sure, that's okay, but this is also the time for you to actually pushing yourself on your goals. So again, you are now correlating and putting together your goals and your schedule, and you are correcting any negative activity, removing it and replacing it by a more positive one. And in this way, you can get to a schedule where you are doing 80% of the time what you want to do, and the rest of the time what your schedule kind of offers to you, giving yourself time for buffer to do something else with your friends, etc. That is, of course, a priority. You want to balance. You don't want to go all in on one. You don't want to go all in on the other. You want to balance, and this is where the 80-20, the Pareto rule, comes in. So I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, share, etc. If this is a bit too general for you and you want more specific advice that's more tailored for you, I am open to talking with people. So either message me on Instagram or there's a link down below in the description. Snug. Just click on that, follow the instructions, and we can have a call and help you with your life. Al, I just want to like properly discuss. I just can't see. I would do it myself, but I just can't see much.
Bro, so how much do you want here? Let's do a bit, and then we'll. Ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, finna drop out of school and become a barber. Well, shit, dude. There you go. Yeah, you can hit me at MV Leclerc on Instagram. I'm taking bookings right now.
Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are having a great time. The sun is coming out. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next one.